Godo-godo udang siap santap. Sudah matang. Nih, lihat udangnya banyak, godo-godonya besar sekali. Godo-godo wong Palembang memang lemaknya. Tuh, siap kita santap ya. Ayo yang mau order buruan ya. Ditunggu. Hubungi Ita Yudis 0813 6770 2798. Seperti ini nih godo-godonya.
Your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet.